The 2024 Lexus ES 300h exudes a sophisticated elegance, with its refined design and sleek silhouette, presented by Arrowhead Lexus. The sedan features a bold spindle grille flanked by sharp LED headlights, giving it a commanding presence on the road. The smooth lines and sculpted curves of the bodywork enhance its aerodynamic efficiency while maintaining a luxurious aesthetic. The ES 300h offers a range of vibrant color options and stylish alloy wheels, ensuring that it stands out in any setting. Under the hood, the ES 300h combines efficiency with a smooth driving experience. Its hybrid powertrain pairs a 2.5-liter inline-4 engine with an electric motor, delivering a total of 215 horsepower. The electronically controlled, continuously variable transmission ensures seamless power delivery and a refined driving experience. The hybrid system is engineered for impressive fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for eco-conscious drivers without sacrificing performance. The back seats of the ES 300h offer passengers a spacious and comfortable environment. With generous legroom and supportive cushioning, the rear seats are perfect for long drives. The sedan's wide-opening doors and low step-in height make entry and exit effortless. Rear passengers also benefit from available features such as heated seats and a fold-down armrest with cup holders, ensuring a first-class experience in the back row. Inside the 2024 Lexus ES 300h, luxury is evident in every detail. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including soft leather upholstery and premium trim accents. The driver-oriented cockpit features an intuitive layout with a sleek dashboard and a large infotainment display. Ambient lighting adds to the serene atmosphere, while the spacious interior allows for a relaxed and comfortable ride for all occupants. The ES 300h is equipped with advanced technology that enhances both convenience and entertainment. The sedan features a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Amazon Alexa integration. A premium sound system delivers crystal-clear audio, while available wireless charging and multiple USB ports ensure that devices stay powered on the go. The intuitive interface and voice recognition capabilities make it easy to stay connected while keeping your focus on the road. Lexus has equipped the 2024 ES 300h with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features. The Lexus Safety System Plus 2.5 includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, and pre-collision detection with pedestrian detection. The sedan also offers available features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system, providing peace of mind for both driver and passengers. Convenience is a key focus in the design of the ES 300h. The sedan features keyless entry and push-button start for effortless access. The spacious trunk offers ample cargo space, with a hands-free power trunk lid available for added convenience. Dual-zone climate control and available heated and ventilated front seats ensure a comfortable environment in any weather, while intuitive controls make it easy to adjust settings on the fly. The 2024 Lexus ES300H is a standout in the luxury sedan segment, offering a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and advanced technology. Its elegant exterior, well-appointed interior, and comprehensive safety features make it a compelling choice for drivers seeking a refined and eco-friendly vehicle. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long journey, the ES300H delivers a driving experience that is both enjoyable and responsible. You can view our selection at arrowheadlexus.com or give us a call at 623-777-6552.